Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I cannot believe it has been over 2 years since I came on here and shared my best picks, best finds from the dollar store. And this edition is extra special because I asked you guys to submit your number one all-time favorite product that you like to get from the dollar store. So I have those mixed in with the bunch. Due to the pandemic, it's been over a year since I set foot into my Dollar Tree. And when I tell you it was like reuniting with a long lost lover, I walked in there, I was like, I missed you. You look beautiful. You haven't aged a day. First thing is dishware. Don't sleep on the dishware, guys. When I walked in, this is what I saw right front and center at my Dollar Tree. Look at these beautiful dishes. They have the cute lemons on them, perfect for spring and summer. I love these for like hosting a little backyard dinner party. You don't have to worry about your nice dishes, or maybe you don't have enough dishes. You can just get a set of these, wow your guests, and you don't have to worry about them because they're only $1 each. These are also microwave and dishwasher safe. And I'm not even done yet. They come with the matching glasses. So I'm having a birthday party in a few weeks, and I'm gonna have this setup going in the backyard. I'm sorry, are these not the cutest? Second would be just glassware in general. I've had great luck with their glasses, and I think they're so nice, well made, sturdy. I've never had any issues with breakage or anything like that. So I've got the cups before. I've not tried their wine glasses yet, but we have 4 or 5 different vases. They have different shapes, sizes, and I love them. They're heavyweight, they don't tip over, and I've never had any of them break on me, so glassware. Next up was a popular item from you guys that you submitted that I personally have not tried. It is the Jergens Extra Moisturizing Hand Wash. So many people wrote in about this particular soap. Apparently, it's amazing. I need to try it. One of you said that you go and you buy out the dollar store and use it for the entire year. Ooh, cherry almond scent. Why does that smell so good? Oh my goodness. Very excited to use this. One of my picks is the Dove Sensitive Skin Fragrance-Free Hypoallergenic Bar, because I use these to clean my beauty blenders. If you've never tried cleaning your beauty blender using a bar of soap, I'm telling you, it's the best method. And no matter how dirty that sponge is, all you do is run it under running water and rub it against your bar of soap, and it will clean it perfectly every time. This is what I do. I swear by this trick. Try it if you have not, and get your soap from the dollar store. A lot of you wrote in talking about the dollar store pregnancy tests, and yes, I can confirm they work. This was one of the first pregnancy tests I took when I was pregnant with Miss Capri. I can tell you, you can actually get them for less than $1 in the bulk packs from Amazon. That's what I did. In my case, you can never have enough pregnancy tests. I was taking tests like 3 times a day, every day for weeks. Maybe that's just me. Next pick comes from you guys, and it is the microfiber Swiffer pads. Brilliant. So these are designed to go on your Swiffer, and they're reusable, washable, and they have that great texture to them. So they're gonna pick up the dirt, debris, anything from your floors. I don't know if these are new at my Dollar Tree or I just hadn't seen them, but I'm very excited to use this. Probably too excited. It's a little weird. If I had to pick my personal all-time number one at the Dollar Tree, it's the brushes. It's gotta be the brushes, because these are double, triple the price anywhere else, and it's something you go through a lot. So I like to have backups, and they're nice and sturdy, so I can even use these to clean like grout lines in the bathroom, clean the kitchen sink. Like, you could get down and dirty with these brushes. These brushes are so well made for the price, and a little hidden feature that you might not have noticed. On the back of the brushes, there's this little ridge, and this ridge you can use to scrape. You know how I feel about my scraper. There's a scraper built in to these brushes. So if you're cleaning, let's say, the bottom of your kitchen sink and there's some food stuck on there, you can just use this scraper to gently get it off without scratching anything. So these brushes for me are probably my number one. I always stock up on them, always have them on hand. But wait, there's more. They have different types of brushes as well. They have the sponge brush with the reservoir, so you can have your soap already loaded in here. Just makes it that much more convenient. And there's the replaceable head on this. So when the sponge gets old, you could just replace the sponge part of it. There's this brush, which, let's be honest, just looks fun. Like, you can't not be having fun when you're using a brush like this, and it matches my outfit. This is a more gentle dish brush, nice and soft and fluffy. Then there's this brush, which is specifically designed for pots and pans. It has that shape, and then these special, even more dense bristles so you can really scrub those pans down. But what I was probably the most excited to see, the bottle cleaning brush, because not only is this perfectly designed to fit inside a bottle, but it has a little suction cup base. So once you're done using it, you can stick it up so it can dry out and stay nice and hygienic. I'm sorry, I bought one of these from Amazon and it was $6.99. So 7 times the price for the same thing. No. Oh, also want to quickly say, if you are not yet subscribed and you've watched to this point and you're enjoying it, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, you might not ever see a video from me again. One of my picks, which a lot of you guys agreed with, the arts and craft section. If you have kids and you're trying to entertain them all day, every day, just do a little stroll through the arts and crafts area. Pick things out to your heart's content. I swear, if I go into Michael's and I pick up a few things, I go and check out and somehow it's $49.99. I'm like, how? Not at the dollar store. I can grab as much stuff as I want and it's like 15 bucks. They had a bunch of these different wood figurines that I thought would be fun to paint. I also got some neon pom-poms because you can never have enough pom-poms. I'm sorry, you just can't. Also, there's a whole little puzzle section. There's kids' books and things like that. So we're gonna try and do the Peppa Pig puzzle, 24 piece. Carter's really getting into puzzles lately and you can't beat it for a buck. A couple things to go along with our brushes. First, Dawn dish liquid. This is one of the weird things that I'm super brand loyal to. This just works better than anything else on my dishes. I've always used the Dawn brand. So they have the brand name there for $1. And I just looked up on Amazon. These are $3 for this exact same size. So they're a third of the price at the Dollar Tree. Same thing. I just tested some out and it doesn't appear to be any different or diluted or anything like that. And I always wear gloves when I do the dishes. Actually, let me know in the comments. Do you wear gloves when you do the dishes or not? Like, it just grosses me out for some reason. So they have the dish gloves there at the Dollar Tree. They have different sizes, different colors. I had to go with the pink. Just feels chic and put together while I'm doing the dishes. Not only does it just protect my hands from touching gross stuff, but helps protect my nails and my rings and things like that. I'm a dish brush gal. Now, a cleaning product that a lot of you wrote in and said that you love is the LA's Awesome Cleaner, and this is concentrated. It actually says on here to dilute it depending on what you're using it for. It is an all-purpose cleaner. Now, in all honesty, I do not use chemical cleaning products in my house just because I have young kids. Capri's crawling around on the floors now, so it's not something that I'm personally going to use, but I did want to mention it because a lot of people said that it works amazingly well. Carter's #1 pick from the Dollar Tree by far, like not even a contest, the cars. The little Hot Wheel cars are 99 cents, whether you get them at Target, dollar store, whatever. However, they have more substantial cars there, like this one, the truck with the trailer, still $1. Next up, a good decorative helium balloon. At the Dollar Tree that I went to, they had them already inflated, so all you had to do is grab and go. You didn't have to wait for them to do it because sometimes that can take forever. But definitely best deal you're gonna find for these. Any other grocery store that I've got them from are like $3 or $4 each, so they're only $1. I know graduation is coming up, so if you're having a graduation party, 4th of July party, whatever it may be, and you want some balloons to spice things up, get them from the dollar store. And if you know someone who is graduating, the other thing you want to get, the cards. And they're not just cheap basic cards anymore. Like, they have super nice cards now. And this is a big improvement from the last time I was there. It used to just be the basic standard cardboard cards. Now they've got cards with metallic, with tassels, with cute little overlays on them. These look like $4 or $5 Hallmark cards that I would get from Target. So the card selection has very much improved. And because of that, these are moving up into my top 3 favorites at the dollar store. One of my other top favorite things from the dollar store has gotta be the gift bags. They have gift bags for birthday, graduation, baby showers, holiday. They have the jumbo large bags, medium, small, like any type of gift bag you want. Go to the Dollar Tree, pick them up there. And what I do, and what I recommend you do, is stock up, especially before holiday. Go in early and stock up. Like, we have a whole closet with a ton of gift bags, all from the dollar store, because you never know when you're gonna need a gift bag. It's good to have them. They also have the tissue paper, and they have different designs, prints. I really like this one because it has the little glitter sparkles in it. Just a nice touch. I got quite an assortment of different gift bags for all occasions, because there's always gonna be an occasion coming up, and I don't know about you, but I'm not a wrapper. on many levels. I'm just not a rapper. A few of you wrote in saying that you love the eyelash curler at the Dollar Tree. So I have not tried this, and it's actually going to be difficult for me to try because I have my lash extensions on. So I will have my mom test this out and I'll report back. But that is definitely something I would not thought of. So I love that suggestion. They have a variety of different notepads, and I always love a notepad because when Ryan's going to the store, I need to write him his little list, my little to-do list on my desk. And they don't just have these small ones, like they have medium, large size. This one's gonna be random, but carabiners, they have large, medium, and small size. You've probably heard me talk about how I like to organize my hair ties on a carabiner. Otherwise, they just get lost everywhere in my drawers around the house. So that's how I've had my hair ties stored forever. I am self-employed, so I have to keep all my receipts, and I use these little coupon holders as my receipt holders. I have one in the car, I have one at my desk, I have them everywhere, and I just picked up a new one because I ran out of space. So you can use these for keeping receipts, or you can use these for storing your coupons, because if you're not using a coupon, you're doing it wrong. But we're gonna end with the best for last, and this is just for me, the organizational bins. I will say this varies a lot store to store. So what I like to do, go on Yelp and look up your local dollar stores and see which one has the best reviews. In my area, the 99 cents only store actually has the better organizational containers versus my Dollar Tree. There was a very limited selection. This little magazine rack you can use under your bathroom sink, and you can store your hair products, your body products, and use these as organizational bins. So yes, you can get creative in there. Think outside the box. And I've done at this point maybe 3 or 4 videos using dollar store products to organize around my house. So I have a lot of dollar store content. If you do enjoy this video, make sure to check out those videos as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And with all of that said, let me know in the comments, what is your top favorite item from the dollar store that I did not mention today that maybe I missed, so I can go back, scope it out, and maybe do a follow-up video in a few months. So with all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye. Oh my gosh, another new pair of shoes? Seriously?
Dollar store. Look, it still has the tag on it. $1.
Wait, that's also a new watch. I've never seen that watch before. What is that?
I'm telling you, dollar store. Have you been lately? They got the good stuff. $1. $1. $1. Don't sleep on the dollar store.